You open ChatGPT, type a question, and get a decent answer. But what if I told you, you're using only 10% of its real power? Today, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for work productivity step by step, the same workflow that top professionals and teams use to save hours every single week. Whether you're in HR, marketing, operations, or tech, by the end, you'll know how to turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant, analyst, and creative partner. Let's unlock your productivity the smart way. Before we dive into prompts and tricks, here's the secret mindset shift. ChatGPT isn't a search engine, it's a coworker. Don't ask it for answers. Instead, assign it a role. For example, instead of saying, write an email to my boss, say, you're my executive assistant. Write a short, polite update email to my boss summarizing this week's project status. When you define a role, ChatGPT automatically adjusts tone, format, and reasoning. That's how you move from generic replies to human-quality output. Let's start with step 1. Plan your day. Type this. You are my productivity coach. Based on my to-do list below, create a realistic daily plan that prioritizes deep work and short breaks. Insert your to-do list. You'll get a focused daily schedule, complete with time blocks. To make it smarter, add context. I work best in the morning. I have meetings from 1-3 p.m. I want to finish by 6 p.m. ChatGPT will restructure your day around your energy curve, not just your tasks. This works wonders for freelancers, managers, and executives who juggle meetings all day. Step 2. Automate your writing. Try this. You are my executive assistant. Rewrite the email below to sound concise, clear, and polite, but slightly persuasive. Paste email draft. Or, summarize this long email thread into key decisions and next actions. Bonus tip. Add tone control. Friendly but professional for colleagues. Formal and confident for clients. Brief and factual for reports. Result? You spend less time typing and more time thinking. Step 3. Summarize meetings and reports instantly. Copy your meeting notes or transcript, then use this prompt. You are my project analyst. Summarize this text into 1. Key takeaways. 2. Decisions made. 3. Action items with owners. In seconds, ChatGPT cleans your notes into a professional report. Add. Make it suitable for management summary under 200 words, and it formats it automatically. Pro tip. Combine this with voice-to-text tools like Otter.ai or Nada to save hours each week. Step 4. Use ChatGPT as your research partner. Instead of Googling for hours, try. You are a research assistant. Summarize the top 5 trends in topic from credible 2024 sources. Explain why they matter for your role industry. Or, I'm preparing a presentation on topic. Suggest 3 frameworks, 5 insights, and 2 visuals I can use. ChatGPT now helps you brainstorm, outline, and even write first drafts. The key is clarity. Tell it who you are and what the output is for. Example, I'm a marketing manager writing for busy executives. This context changes everything. Step 5. Create real work outputs. Whether it's a report, proposal, or slide outline, ChatGPT can structure everything for you. Example, you are a senior consultant. Create a PowerPoint outline, 6 slides, for a productivity workshop for new managers. Include title, main points, and speaker notes. Or for HR professionals, draft a 1-page company policy about hybrid work, tone, professional and clear, referencing best practices. Within seconds, you get a structured version ready to paste into Google Slides or PowerPoint. Add. Make it visually balanced and easy to present for extra polish. Step 6. Boost your spreadsheet and data work. Paste your messy Excel table or describe what you need. You are my Excel expert. Help me write a formula that counts cells with completed status only if the date is within the current month. Or, suggest 3 KPIs to track productivity for a remote team using Excel or Google Sheets. ChatGPT gives both formulas and the reasoning behind them. It's like having a personal data consultant on call, 24/7. Step 7. Automate repetitive work. Example prompts. You are my workflow architect. Suggest 5 automations to save time in my job as your role. Include tools like Zapier, Notion, or Google Workspace. Or, write a simple step-by-step guide to automate sending weekly summary emails using ChatGPT plus Google Sheets. You'll get automation blueprints that make your work smoother without coding skills. Step 8. Design your personal system with ChatGPT. Type, "You are my productivity coach. Help me build a weekly review system that tracks goals, habits, and reflection questions in Notion." ChatGPT will give you templates and checklists for self-management. You can even ask, "Create a one-page personal dashboard combining goals, calendar, and notes, formatted for Notion or Excel." The result? A system that actually keeps you consistent. Once you're comfortable, upgrade to advanced prompting. Try the XML sandwich format for complex tasks. You are a senior productivity consultant. Design a one-week productivity plan for a remote team of 5 people. Include table, summary, and daily checklist. This structure tells ChatGPT exactly what you want and keeps the output organized. Add, revise until it meets professional standard for a mini perfection loop. Before we wrap up, here are 3 mistakes most users make. Too vague prompts. Always define the role and output type. One-shot requests. Ask ChatGPT to iterate and improve, not just respond once, ignoring follow-up. The second and third messages usually unlock the best results. Remember, the magic happens in the dialogue, not the first reply. Let's make it real. Here are quick examples for different jobs. For HR, "You are my HR advisor." Draft a job description for a sales manager, include KPIs and salary range. For marketing, "You are my campaign strategist." Create a 5-day content plan for LinkedIn about productivity hacks. For finance, "You are my finance analyst." Summarize key insights from this month's expense report. For IT, "You are my tech support consultant." Write an SOP for troubleshooting slow Wi-Fi connections in Office. Each of these prompts saves 30-60 minutes per task and delivers pro-level results. Want to go further? Combine ChatGPT with voice and automation tools. Use ChatGPT mobile app with voice input to dictate notes. Link it with Notion, Google Sheets, or Slack for integrated workflows. Use Chrome extensions like AIPRM or ChatGPT Writer to draft faster from anywhere. When ChatGPT becomes part of your everyday system, it stops being a tool and becomes your productivity multiplier. You don't need to work harder, you need to work smarter with AI. Try these steps this week and see how much time you can reclaim.